Hey everyone, Gil here at Camppatton Family Compound. Well, got an unbagging. Some stuff I've been learning following several of the doctors on YouTube here. The type of magnesium supplement for your vitamins and stuff that is mostly out there is a type of magnesium that your body really can't handle. It's great for making you go poop, but it's not really readily absorbable into your system. And so several of them recommended this one particular type. And so I'm going to open this up here. I'm hoping that's what this is. Yes. So magnesium glutamate. Glutamate. Yeah. So, yeah. So this, I went and ordered some of this, and we're going to see how it affects me after I take the vitamins, and see how if it helps with. It's supposed to help with muscle cramping too. So we'll see how this works. All right. So one of the things about this is that having a brain fart here. Oh, one of the things, the other one was it was a sticky gel cap, and it was always sticking to the inside of my pill box. And so this is a powdered form in in the vegetable protein caps that just break apart and dissolve really easy. So we'll see how this goes, and I will try to remember to put the link down below in the description where you can get it. I got it off Amazon. If you don't see it in the description, just comment where's the link, and I'll put it back in. I'll put it in the description and also tag it in your comment as well. All right. So coming up this Friday, October 27th, on both Camppatton Family Compound and my other channel, Gray Man Prepping, I got Dr. Paula Ruffin that's going to be on, and she's going to be talking about nutrition, vitamins, and prepping for the winter. All right? So hope you make that. That's 10 o'clock Eastern Time, 9 Central, 8 Mountain, 7 Pacific. And there should be about an hour long live stream. Hopefully we won't go over, because she said she turns into a pumpkin, and we don't want that to happen on the live stream. Alrighty, see you then, and take care.